Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. So today we are dealing with one of those annoying, vague, slightly alarming Windows messages. The problem is your system is using old secure boot keys. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this step by step, explain what's actually going on and help you fix it safely. Before we move on, here's some few important things. Make sure your laptop is plugged in. Save all your work because we are going into system level settings. And seriously, follow carefully because BIOS menus can look intimidating if you have never used them before. First, we need to access your system firmware. Click on Start and then click Power. Hold down the Shift key and then click on Restart. Now, your PC will reboot into a blue screen menu. From there, click Troubleshoot and then go to Advanced Options. After that, go to UEFI Firmware Settings. Then hit Restart. Now your system will boot into the BIOS or UEFI menu. And here, this is the part where most people panic because everything suddenly looks confusing. Don't worry, it's totally normal. Once you are inside BIOS, you need to look around very carefully and don't touch any options until you are fully aware of it. Every motherboard is different, which honestly makes this more annoying than it should be. Look for tabs like Boot, Security, Authentication. Inside one of those, you should find Secure Boot. Take your time here. Don't randomly change things. This is the step that actually fixes the problem. Inside the Secure Boot section, look for options like Restore Factory Keys, Install Default Secure Boot Keys, Reset to Default Keys. Now let's talk about what this does. It replaces your outdated security keys with the latest trusted one. If you see one of these options, select it. This is completely safe and exactly what your system is asking for. Now don't forget this part because this is super important. Press F10 to save and exit. After that, confirm when prompted. Your PC will restart. Once you are back in Windows, go back to the same security or device security page where you saw the warning message. If everything went right, that message should be gone. As you can see. If you don't see any option to restore or update keys, your BIOS might be outdated. Or your system might already be using the latest configuration but just not reporting it properly. Yes, that happens. This is honestly one of the most annoying parts. The system wants you, but doesn't always give you the tools to fix it directly. And that's it. Now your system should be properly updated and actually secure. So I hope this quick guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.